Naniniwala ka rin ba sa kasabihang, if you're meant to be, then you'll always find your way back to each other? Okay, so let's do a quick skincare routine while I may kwento about something that the universe did for me and my boyfriend. So, a quick rewind, we used to be in an LDR setup because I had to study abroad. But eventually, we broke up because we were too young to be in that kind of setup or situation. I think we were 15 or 16 at that time, and we basically moved on. Or so I thought. By the way, I'm using this whitening soap from RDL to wash my face. We were high school sweethearts, by the way. So fast forward na tayo, after 2 years, we were both in college na. I studied in Benilde and he was in Mapua, Makati. But you know what? The universe seemed to have other plans because where we were staying at were like 10 minutes away from each other. So, by the way, I'm using this facial cleanser from RDL. This has kojic and glutathione. Since sobrang lapit lang ng dorm namin sa isa't isa, tapos ang tambayan pa at that time is yung University Mall or yung McDo, basta around that area. So ayun, nagkasalbo nga kami. And since wala rin naman kaming gagawin at that time, so we did a little catching up. So, by the way, I'm using this whitening lotion from RDL as well. If that encounter didn't happen, malamang hindi kami nagkabalikan. And for me, that is a very nakakakilig moment that the universe did for me and my boyfriend. So that's it for today's kwento.